In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to gather valuable insights by inputting competitor URLs, automating data extraction, and using AI to generate insights. This process is an essential part of staying ahead in the business landscape, helping you to not only understand your competitors better, but also refine your strategies based on data-driven conclusions. To start off, let's talk about why inputting competitor URLs is crucial. Your competitors are constantly evolving, adapting new strategies, and improving their offerings. By analyzing their websites, you gain a deeper understanding of their positioning, content strategies, and market approach. So go ahead and gather a list of URLs from your main competitors' websites. This doesn't have to be a comprehensive list right now. A few key competitors will do just fine to get started. Next, we move on to automating the data extraction process. Now, this might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through. There are various tools available today, such as web scrapers, that allow you to extract important data from websites without manually sifting through each page. This automation saves you time and ensures you have access to up-to-date information. Set up your chosen tool by entering the competitor URLs. Make sure to customize it to extract the data you find most valuable, whether that's keywords, content themes, product descriptions, or pricing information. Also, ensure your chosen tool adheres to ethical guidelines regarding data scraping, keeping everything legal and respectful. Once the data extraction is set up and running, it's time to let AI take the wheel and generate insights from the data you've collected. AI tools can offer you a broad range of insights, from simple trend analyses to more complex predictive modeling. Feed the extracted data into your AI tool and let it process the information. What you want to look for are patterns, trends, and shifts in competitor strategies. These might manifest as changes in pricing, alterations in content strategy, or even emerging product lines. Remember, the goal here is not just to collect data, but to understand the story it tells. As the AI processes the data, take the time to review the insights generated. Pay attention to any unexpected results. Sometimes the most valuable insights are hidden in surprises. Also, compare these insights with your current strategies. This comparison can help you identify opportunities for improvement or potential threats in the market landscape. So there you have it. Input competitor URLs, automate data extraction, and use AI to generate comprehensive insights. These steps not only arm you with vital information, but also facilitate informed decision-making that can greatly benefit your strategy and growth. Remember, the key to success is not just in gathering data, but in how effectively you can turn that data into actionable insights. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you find this guide helpful as you delve into competitor analysis.